Today, you're going to learn how to set up and track budgets in QuickBooks Online. Creating a budget is one of the most effective ways to plan your financial goals, monitor your spending, and compare your actual performance against what you expected throughout the year. QuickBooks gives you a built-in budgeting tool that makes the entire process simple and organized. And in this walkthrough, you'll see exactly how to set it up and customize it to fit your business needs. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once your dashboard loads, go to the top right corner and select the Settings icon. In the menu that appears, look for the Tools section and click on Budgeting. This is where all of your budgets will be created and managed. Select the option to add or create a new budget. A setup window will appear, allowing you to enter the details of the budget you're preparing. Begin by typing in a budget name, such as your operating budget for the upcoming year, then choose the fiscal year the budget will apply to. Next, decide how you want your budget structured. You can choose to plan monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Monthly budgets give you the most control and visibility, while yearly budgets can be helpful for higher level planning. If you need more detailed tracking, you can use the subdivide option to break the budget down by customer, class, or location. This is useful for businesses that want to track performance across multiple areas or revenue streams. Click Next to move into the budget input screen. Here, enter the budgeted amounts for each income and expense account. QuickBooks allows you to start fresh or copy amounts from the previous year, which can save time if your numbers don't change dramatically. Take a moment to review all the figures you've entered to make sure everything is accurate and realistic for the year ahead. Once you're satisfied with your entries, click Save to create your new budget. That's it, you've successfully set up a budget in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.